Today we've come to Komomo to get out of the house, Aces. Yeah. We have one of us picking up rubbish.
Daddy, we need a big bag.
Big bag, eh?
We need a bag. So
To put rubbish in.
So I can put my shells in it.
Here you go.
I need a bag.
Catch bag, shells, and
Rubbish.
I don't think there is another one up there for rubbish. You can probably put them in the same one.
No.
Why not?
How do you even open this?
So you push like this. Hang on. You go like that and open.
Daddy, I really need more rubbish.
Do you?
What is it? Come.
Beautiful and flat out here today.
She's calling me.
Oh heck! Quick!
I need a bag for me.
Look, just put it in that in the catch bag.
Come on.
What's that, Lush? Just getting set up. Pull the side by side off. Pull the kids quad off. And then relax for a little bit, I guess. Brought the rod. No bait. Okay, let's pull this off. What you got? Big starfish. Oh, isn't it? Broken.
Where?
Right there.
And nobody's looking. What's that?
Oh, okay. That's silicone off your dad's bloody diving gloves. It gets everywhere. No. You're alright. On our way up. The bolts come out of the and the old roof's a bit bent now. Luckily, I found a couple more bolts, screws to go in there. Hopefully straighten it back out a little bit. I'll show you guys what it looks like when I pull that screw out. Oh bugger. This is what it looks like. It was a whole lot worse than that though. Put these screws in. Hopefully pull it back down. And if anyone was wondering why we brought a sea biscuit, because we finally got the jet ski out of the shop after 2 months. Chee-hoo. Beautiful day for it. Not very much fun on the old Razor today. What we got going on here? Charging the battery. Sizzled this bloody thing. Voltage meter or voltage regulator. Bugger. That's alright. Charge the battery and then ride it till the battery's flat. Charge it again. Hopefully this runs well, yeah. Yeah. Fingers crossed. Kids out here on the 90. And don't at me because of the kid with no helmet on. We forgot the bloody helmet today. Maybe. Are you? Are you going to go on the jet ski?
Yeah.
Just luge. Okay. Did you tell those guys to come back?
Yeah, we did, but they said we're not going to come back.
Oh, what?
They said they won't come back.
Oh, hey.
Let's go tell them to come back.
Yeah, tell them to come back.
If they don't come back, what will I do?
Nothing.
Come on, let's go.
Nice easy launch. Now let's see if this jet ski goes properly now. Lucy's turn on the jet ski. Jump up, mate. It's a horrible day. Are you ready? Are you going to go by yourself? Are you going by yourself? Okay. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. No, I'll jump on. I'm just joking to you. Tricked ya.
I'll jump off if you get off.
If I get off. Here, come on.
When you get off.
What's that for? Where? Oh yeah, I'll come and have a look soon when I get off. Do you want to drive? You can drive if you want. You want to go fast?
No.
You don't? Okay. We'll just go this fast, or a little bit faster. This fast, okay. We'll just float around. It's just driving by itself. What do we have here? Got the biscuit. Kids floating around.
That's called a biscuit?
It's got a biscuit. What are you doing? Going on the motorbike.
Why did you send it back to?
No. Now we have the sissies bloody tormenting Lucius. Oh, they're on their knees so it makes it look like the water's real deep. He's crapping himself. Jet ski in the background there going perfect. We got the crusty demon. Wow. She's showing us her skill. Oh heck. You're trying to do a Rocky? Are you trying to do a Rocky? Oh, okay. That's right. Oh, now what's going on? The rope's out, life jackets are out. Oh, the kid's going to get towed around. Oh, Lee. Kids are confident. I'm definitely not jumping on the back of it. No faith. Okay, I'll get it for you now. Hey, hey, hey! I was getting it. What? Silly boy. Forgot his helmet, so he's only got his sister's helmet today. Come back here and you can put the helmet on, mate. Look at him, he thinks he's a bloody teenager. Hey, you can't even touch the ground yet. Put that on, brother. Oh, you can touch it on your tippy toes. On both sides? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, now put this on. Oh, you're getting taller, eh? Yep. Quick. Yeah, I know, it's because it's your sister's one, but it's alright. Hop in, Nelly. Sit right in it, both of yous. Oh, shells everywhere. That was so. Kids off for a ride on the biscuit.
It ain't pulling us.
They will now. There you go, see? See ya! Listen to what they're saying. Well, now they're having fun. We've got one kid that's finished, he thinks, but every kid's never finished. He'll feel like he's missing out soon and want to go back out there. Here you go, buddy. Is it a hoodie one?
Nothing.
Oh, yeah, sweet. Put that on. Don't stand on it though. Nelly, did you like that?
I'll hop on one more time.
You'll hop on one more time? Right, sure. What about you, sis?
Yeah, I'll hop on one time after.
Oh, okay. Was it? Sorry. You weren't even going very fast.
I know, we were so fast. We've been on those huge bumps and it was just stuck in the middle.
Here he comes. Old Mister, I'm finished. Oh, your Crocs. Yeah, that's alright. Go park your motorbike up by the truck. Okay, are you guys ready? Yeah, make sure you both sit forward. Hang on. Stand up, Nelly, and then let sis kind of sit down a little bit more. Yeah, now sit down. And then so you can... Oh, okay. close your knees in then. And then you sit on that side, you sit on that side. One hold on to that one hold on to that one. There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, hang on, ready? Steady.
Yeah.
Go. See you guys. I put yous on the wrong ones. Now they're facing sideways. I was trying to make them face forwards. Oh, they seem alright. Yeah. You want to go by yourself? Okay. What about you, Penelope? Oh, okay. You're all keen as. Is it very fun, eh? Good girls. Looks fun. Bloody starting to spit now. Shut the truck. Yep. Come on, mate. First things first. Yep. Have to turn the truck off, put the seat back in, and then... Yeah, that's right. And then we're off. Hopefully the side-by-side doesn't putter out on us, eh, Lush? We've got no, what is it, alternator pretty much. Kids are still all on the jet ski. Got a grumpy little Lucius in here. Oh no, he's happy. That's you going past. Woohoo! Go kids! Got to let the belt warm up a little bit more so then we can go a little bit faster. Of course, I forgot that we had a, hurricane 2 days ago, and the side-by-side would have filled up with water in the spark plug holes. Oh, I better clean that out because we're not going very fast. That's alright. At least we know how to do that. Quickly do that and try again. Sorry, Lush. We just got to clean it out. And then we can go again. Is that alright? So I just rolled the razor. Oh no. Stuff that. Foot open, mid-roll. Jammed my foot in it. A little bit of a bruise there. Oh, the roof spoiler's looking pretty pretty cool. Lights still good. Lucky I got some of those brackets at home. But this, on the other hand,
Yeah, just screw it back in.
just screw it back in, eh, sis? Yeah, sis is on.
Dad's got us.
Yeah. Door doesn't line up anymore. Bugger. Oh no, we just loosen these, eh?
And
Is it loose?
no.
Is it loose?
And then we can go again. Ow. Now we have the kids playing Spotlight. Ah, found him.
Oh. Yes, I'm meant for the next supposed to be statue.
Oh, you're a statue. Okay, are you guys in now? It's a light from the car coming along. There's only that one, sorry, bro. Do you want to be... Oh, Nellie's in now. Ready, steady. Go hide, go hide. Quick, don't hide in the same spot. Not even dark and the kids are all scared of the dark. Hiding underneath the truck.
Give us some help.
No, I'm not helping you. You guys are alright. Whoa, 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 you're shining it at me.
Tell us where they are.
Wait.
Yeah! Yay! Right here. Wait, what way? That way. Bye! Oh, wait, I just saw them going up there. Come on.
This will keep them entertained for a little while. Probably not. Can hear them talking. Yeah, going the wrong way. So they found them. They're getting to hide again. Oh, there they go. Oh, look at them. No arguing. Oh, nice and flat down here. Whew. So you have to count to 50.
1, 2.
No, look this way, Lucius. You can't look where they're going.
What's this?
What is it? Light falling out. That's alright. Count to 50. You got to start counting now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
No,
20,
50.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35.
Good counting, Lucius.
38, 39,
Skip a few.
40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49,
50.
50.
Ready or not?
Here we come!
Yep. Oh, there they go. Running away.
First, okay? Wait. I'm over here.
Where is he?
I can't tell you.
Oh. Yeah, no, don't tell them. He's the meanest hider, eh?
Wait, no, he ain't. It's so easy. Wait, now I know where he is.
Oh, fell over. See if I can see him on my phone. He's hiding underneath the chair. He's been hiding for about 5-10 minutes. You guys can't find him. You're right under there, mate. Lush, you can talk to me. You right? Hey? You are alright. Oh, shit. Go again. Can you see him up there? Man, he's real good, eh? You know they haven't found you, Lush, because they're not shining the light right in your face, eh, son? Stay under there, bro. Good hiding spot. Oh, here they come. I'll sit back down. Oh, shit, sorry, son. Put your head down. Oh. Nah, no one's in any vehicles, because you get sand everywhere. Did you?
Yeah,
What did he say?
he said caca. He was like caca.
What?
Caca, caca, baby. Wait, he's not really caca.
Stay there. Don't move. Hang on, Lush, wait. He might be in the dunes. Have a look. Okay, now son, hop out and go sit on the jet ski. Ready? Go. Go. No, so then they don't find your good hiding spot. So you can keep your good hiding spot. Quick. Yeah, but then when they find you under there, then they'll know where your real good hiding spot is. So if you go hop on the jet ski now, they won't know. Quick. Do you want me to lift the chair up for you? Okay, go. Quick. Go sit on the jet ski. Oh. Go, jump up. Where is he?
Behind the speaker.
Where?
Behind the speaker.
He's invisible. He is invisible.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Did we just say? Boy, what the heck? You're not meant to. You're
I see
funny.
you when I was
You're meant to. You weren't meant to. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Who's hiding this time? Lucius and Sis. Oh, Sis is already gone. Okay, go Lucius, go hide. Go hide. And Sis and Ellie use count.
I got a crab!
What? Show me. Put the light on it.
Hold it. Ow! Hit me. Oh gosh. I got a crab in my head.
Got a crab.
It's the
What else do we have on there?
Guys, get away from me!
What is it?
A fish.
What kind?
It's baby mullet.
Baby
Guys,
mullet.
I have a crab in my head. You want to see it?
Yeah, let's come on the beach. Grab the fish.
Push it. Let me see it. No.
Can't see.
Ah! I'll get it.
Be careful with the shot.
Holy moly, he's alive.
It's alive? You gotta eat it now.
Let's go get another one.
Gotta get another one.
It's this one.
Don't go you don't have to go too deep because you guys will get wet. Come back up here.
Oh, see one. See it. Oh.
Yeah. Heaps of baby fish.
Wait, can you put this back up? Or can I just take it off?
Oh, you take it off.
This one.
Oh, hang on, no, because you get cold.
Put you over.
You know why we pulled you over, miss?
Kiss off, poopy.
Oh, tricksters, eh?
I think you're gonna pull it over.
See? You guys are tricky, alright?
My favorite part was the jet ski and the going and the little what do you call it? The little
Biscuit.
biscuit.
That was your favourite part of the day, eh? Oh, that's good. Okay, now who we got next? Lucius. What was your favourite part of the day, brother? The bike and the jet ski. Mackenzie.
Going on the jet ski and the donut.
And the donut, okay. Penelope. What was your favourite part of the day?
My favorite part was the cookie.
The cookie. Oh, the biscuit.
Yeah. Whatever it's called, that's okay. I love cookie.
Okay.
Because that's how I say.
Yep.
Finding starfish. Yeah.
Finding starfish, okay.
And all your favorite parts.
My favourite part of the day was taking all you little buggers out.
Yay.
Second favourite part of the day? Rolling side by side. Nah, just kidding. But all around, good day?
Yes.
All good, Arvo?
And my other favorite part was seeing you roll the bike.
That was your other favourite part, was it?
And
Was
my
that
other
cool?
favorite part was going find and my
Yep.
favorite part
Oh wait, no. Okay, that's good. Okay.
Nelly's flicking the fingers.
Thank you guys for watching.
Bye!
See you on the next one.
See you in the next one.
Oh.